pop it down in front of these two air conditioners, and hopefully it'll work fine and we'll hatch up a baby. Now, this should work with 2 air conditioners. It didn't with the 1, but 2 I think will be okay. Oh yeah, she's gonna hatch right up. Alright, shouldn't be long now, we'll have some babies. We got another one here. I picked this up earlier. And that one's gonna pop too. Make sure we got meat, because we're gonna have to feed these guys something when they come out. So finally we don't have to. There we go, there's our first one.